Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AMIRA binti SOLIHAN from JIM 2463B. Today I will present about the content in a proposal for Westports Holding. First, I will explain about our company, which is a supercenter. Supercenter was established in 2013 and headquartered in Arah Damansara, Selangor. This company recruit more than 40 employees. It provides ICT products such as software and network. It also provides services at school and organization. For the technology security, we guarantee it a 100% security, so our customer don't worry about the security. Next is about the Westport Holding. Westport Holding is a company handle port activities including container and conventional cargo. It also offer a wide variety of port facilities including the shipping services, licensing services and others ancillary services. Next is about the project overview. Supercenter was invited to propose developing an upgrade system to digitize document and operation for the future port at Westport Holding. The project required us to propose a suitable specification for developing and also upgrade the existing system. The important aspects such as type of computer and specification, layout and pricing consideration. Next is about the project plan. If chosen, the project will begin in February 1, 2021. The cost for this project is estimated to be approximately in 22,503 ringgit and 94 cents. The hardware upgrade will cost approximately in 6,150 ringgit and 84 cents. For the software upgrade will cost approximately in 2,009 ringgit and 56 cents and will affordable project which cost.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is SITI NABIHAH binti SHAMMUDIN. I'm from Information Science Record Management in semester 3. Okay, so now we are going to proceed to the layout of record department. As you can see, there is a computer and desk, main entrance, CCTV, strong room, cabinet, information board and many other things. Okay, so what is the function of CCTV? The function is to monitor for visual protection. Okay, so we can detect in advance if there is any suspicious behavior. Okay, and as you can see, there is a strong room. Okay, strong room serve to keep company record and only certain people can access the space.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adila Natasha binti JAMAYA. We as Super Center have recommend motherboard Intel server board DBS 1200BTL to Westports. So this motherboard have brand Intel, have product description too, product type, chipset type, compatible processors, mass supported memory, supported dedicated video memory, LAN and USB, also FireWire ports.
Okay, so now we proceed to computer case. The computer case is also known as a tower, box, system unit, base unit, enclosure, housing, chassis and cabinet. Okay, so what is the function of this computer case? Okay, the function is for protection. This is because dust, dirt, liquid, toy and animal can damage the inside of the computer if there is no computer case. Okay, so apart from that, another reason is to keep the area cool. Besides that, computer case is also store noisy computer part such as the fan so that it can reduce the noise of the. Next is hardware. There is several hardware that we want to suggest. Firstly is processor. The type of processor that we want to suggest is Intel Core i9 10900K. The reason we suggest this processor is because this processor have unlocked multiplier and also better thermal performance than predecessor and also excellent with single and multi-thread workloads. And the pricing is almost 2019. Okay, so next is system memory. We suggest to use Intel Optane SSD 800p series. The reason why we choose this system memory is because of they provide fast boot, app launch, and smoothest in various other tasks. Besides that, they also consistent response, which is they improve performance under load over time even when the drive is charging, and also slimming factor provide. Next is graphic card. Okay, so we suggest to use GeForce RTX 3080. So the reason why we choose this graphic card is because of the fastest graphic card until 3019 arrive, and also because of the run reasonable cool and quiet, and also major architectural update. Next, for hard disk, we suggest to use Seagate Barracuda 7200 64 MB SATA 1TB or 2TB 3.5-inch HDD. The reason for choosing this hard disk is because of the rescue data recovery plans. So it becomes standard on Barracuda, which provide protection in the event of a mechanical problem with the hard drive or something accidental. It also gives access to experienced data recovery specialists. And the pricing for this hard disk is almost 179. Last but not least is for DVD ROM. We suggest to use Dell compatible internal 9.5 mm. Okay, so like the picture there. The reason why we choose this DVD ROM is because of this combo drive can read and write CDs and DVDs effectively, provide the user with full optical reading capabilities in one device, and the pricing is almost.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I am Siti NURHIDAYAH binti YUSOF from JIM 2463B. Today I will present about software recommended by our company. What is software? Software is a program that enables a computer to perform a specific task as opposed to the physical component hardware. Application software are important for a system in computer to be working. Application software can help to enable user to perform a task and system such as an operating system. Computer systems are divided to three major classes in the system. System software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturers. These software products are mostly have been in the computer to interact with the hardware from the basic level. Software needs to be run smoothly and properly to give advantage for the user to perform the task more efficient. Moreover, there are some specific software that can be used in controlling record system for the company. Computer software must be contained in computing system for the computer to run the tasks that have been made properly. The software that can be recommended is Windows 10, Microsoft 365, McAfee Security Antivirus, Linux, and web browsers such as Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Windows 10 Microsoft are the most used software to support system for computers, tablet, and Internet Thing of devices. Windows 10 can be upgrading from Windows 7 and Windows 8 without reimaging or performing intrusive and time-consuming for system procedure. Windows 10 features are made for capabilities that allow corporate IT to use the Mobile Device Management (MDM) for control the devices in operating system. These software are recommended for Westports that frequently use system and digital to do tasks and work because of the complete features. The Windows 10 have some specification to allow the work run properly. Now we are talking about Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 are the new version upgraded from Office 365. Microsoft 365 has special features that can be linked with Windows 10 with complete security. There are many features that suitable and efficiently used for keeping records and professional works with powerful cloud service, device management, and advanced security and 1 TB storage. Microsoft 365 programmer are provide Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Skype. Microsoft 365 also have a features for a team to keep in the same page, such as Microsoft Team. The complete features and security basics can help to keeping the record and digital works for Westport because there are many type of features that can help them to support the works completed. Now we are talking about McAfee Security Antivirus. McAfee Antivirus is a good antivirus software and a great antivirus program to protect the data and information in the computer. McAfee have been provided a full range of security products to avoid any ransomware, Trojan, and malicious problem to attack against the computing system. McAfee also provided subscription and upgrading system from time to time to avoid any problems and provide latest technology. Westport company are commonly using IT software programming in doing the task, and to keeping the record secure, McAfee Security Antivirus have a high rating with the features. About the web browser that can be recommended. Web browser that can be used in searching information are Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. These web browsers are mostly being used by worldwide users because of the wide range information and become the main browser for a web application. These web browsers have been upgrading to the latest version for a new features according to the system. Linux is an operating source system that is suitable for digitization and technology system. Most of the company using Linux because of the flexibility, security, and maintaining the database in operating system. Linux and Google Chrome have a good security and potential to keep the data safety and can be accessed with underpin system to access the information. According to Westport, they might be used Linux because of the good use to be used for record system because the high potential security and protect information from any virus and hacks information.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NURUL NAJIHAH binti SAIFUL BAHARI and I was from class JIM 2463B.
We do recommend these 4 types of input devices for the company to use, which is the first one is keyboard, the second one is mouse, the third one is scanner, and the fourth one is the camera. As for the keyboards, we do recommend the company to use the brand from Logitech, which the series is MS Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard that costs around 404 ringgit and 38 cents including the tax. And the best features about this keyboard is for the power, it can last up to 10 days without the backlight, and it have an illuminated keys. And the third one is it can be connected in up to 3 kind of devices at the same time, And the fourth one is the compatibility for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Therefore, it have 1 year warranty, and the color was graphite black. The second devices is the mouse. We also do recommend from the same brand as well, which is Logitech, and the series is M220 silent wireless optical mouse that costs around 14 ringgit and 9 cents including the tabs. And the best features of this mouse is for the connection type, it is wireless connection, and it can range up until 10 meters away. And the second features is it was customized with advanced optical tracking. You can glide the mouse smoothly, and it has the sensor resolutions up to 1000 dpi, and because of it was a silent mouse, it can be protect the 90% of noise reduction, and it also protect the health and productivity of the users itself. For the third input devices, which is scanner, we do recommend the brand from Brother, and the series is ADS 2200 high-speed document scanner that costs around 1,338 ringgit and 60 cents including the tax. And the best features of this scanner is the fast scanning for both sides, which is for the colors and also the black and white. And the second features is it has a versatile paper handling, and next, the high speed, the USB is 2.0 for easy connectivity. And fourth one is accurate scanning and resolutions, and it can scan drivers include train, VR, ICA, and SANE. And the warranty for these devices is 1 year. For the fourth input devices, which is the last one, is the camera. We recommend the company to use the brand from Logitech, which the series is BCC 950 conference camera that costs around 989 ringgit and 99 cents including the tax. And the best features of this conference camera is it enables the true HD videos, and also it has a wide view suitable for group calls and meetings purpose, and it can control over the noises at the background to control the unwanted noises to make the process of the meetings is smooth, and it has a high frequency response. And lastly, it has 1 year warranty. For the output devices, we recommend two kind of output devices, which is the one is monitor and the second one is printer. As for the monitor, we do recommend the brand from Dell, and the series is 24-inch monitor for video conferencing, and it costs around 947 ringgit including the tax. And the best features of these devices is it has a special features which it can recognize the facial recognition authentication, and it consists of 2 microphones for best quality of sounds. And the next one is it has extensive connectivity which can easily connect with other devices and can up until 3 kind of devices at one time. And also it has a multitasking which can work on multi applications such calls and videos. And It has adjustable screen for a productivity of work of the users, and it has 1-year warranty. The last output devices is the printer. We do recommend the brand from Canon, which is Prisma TR 8620 wireless all-in-one printer that costs around 727 ringgit and 82 cents, including the tax. And the best features of this printer is for the scanners types, it's flatbed and ADF, which is auto document feeder, and it offers high print quality. Also, it supports up to 4800 times 1200 print resolutions, and it comes with intuitive 4.3-inch LCD touch screen, and it also have 1-year warranty.
So the other computer specification is about system network. We as Super Center will recommend to the Westports about our best system network to them to use it. So the first system network that we recommend to the Westports is SolarOne's Networks Performance Monitor. So basically it's quick approach to monitoring an entire networks, making it one of the most user-friendly and intuitive user interface. The second is PRTG Network Monitor from PSLR. In a hierarchical view that summarizes output and warnings, all devices, system, traffic, and applications in your network can be easily seen. The third system network is Manage Engine Op Manager. When it comes to tracking and review functions, the product is well balanced. The next system network is about NAJIHAH X1. They have a free version, a one-time license, an open source, and a subscription. The other is ConnectWise Automate. ConnectWise Automate is a new cloud-based manager and monitoring solution that can keep track of your IT infrastructure devices from a single location. The other is Logic Monitor. With Logic Monitor, you will get full visibility of your network's efficiency and health. This program will automatically discover and proactively track IT infrastructure devices. And the last of system network is Zabbix. Zabbix is an open source platform for monitoring. It is known for its fully configurable, easy to use, and pleasing web interface. We move to the next slide. It's about security. We have 6 security for Westports. The first is keeping better control of Westports data. The second is Westport data can be encrypted. The third is Westport maintaining privacy compliance. And the fourth, restrict and manage access to crucial information. The fifth, minimize the risk of physical breaches. And the sixth, Westports can choose their provider.
Which cost. The last part is about the pricing. The total for this proposal is 22,503 ringgit and 94 cents. This total include the cost element like motherboard, computer cases, hardware, input device, output device, system software, and system network. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, there are many benefits if a company have been using a good system record management. This is because digitization and technologies nowadays are more convenient and easy to keeping information and data about tasks and stuff. In our company, we have been preparing a good software system and computing to the company about the system that can lead to a new innovation in managing record. Westport company are one of the most potential company that can use our services for record system. The computing software and the hardware are the best recommendation that have been given to the company. Based on the company needs to match with the company programming system. Technology and digitization is crucial things to work because of the use of the technology to human. Record system can be improved and the record system can be keep safety and privacy. Thank you.